Hello everyone, today we are exploring this solar-powered wireless security camera system with a 10-inch monitor. This setup features 5 pan-tilt cameras that provide a full 360-degree view in 2K. You will enjoy clear color night vision and two-way audio to communicate with anyone on your property. The solar panels keep everything charged, so you never have to worry about messy wires or complicated installations. Smart motion sensors send instant alerts to your phone while recording high-quality footage to the included storage. You can access your live video feed remotely from any device without paying any monthly subscription fees. These waterproof cameras are built to withstand any weather while keeping your home and family safe every day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.